So from outside, this is the museum, the real museum right here. It's called National Museum of Kenya. So this is the great museum right here. So let me show you how everything is right here. Then I'm taking right here.
Look after where we come from, the Marine Park. These are the pictures you can see in Marine Park.
Alright, so we have some divers right there. Wow. Alright. So this was Mekatarili Wamenza. She was the famous woman in Kenya. So Mekatarili Wamenza, right here. So the exact date of Mekatarili Wamenza is not known. It's believed that she was born in a family of 4 brothers and 1 sister in 1840. Mekatarili Wamenza. It's called Mutara of Sasu Ganze, Kilifi County. Yes, she was one of the Giriama.
Yes. Here is the history of
wow. So also you see right here, guys, we have the name of the silver rose. Local name Russia, functionally used in ceremonies right there, you see. And also we have this thing right here called coal container, used in decoration of the eyes right here. And also we have this right here. Just amazing, man. These are wooden sandals. Have you ever seen wooden sandals? Really crazy. See right here. So this is Malindi Museum, and you can see how everything is right here. It's just nice. So these are a wooden trumpet right here, and also we have a wooden guitar right there. So this is it right here. We have a drill or keke. It's used for dough building. Nothing right there. So yeah, it's just a kind of a nice history right here. And also we have some different kettles right here. These are coffee pot or a copper right there, you see. Also we have a copper tray right there. We also have this kettlebell right here. So here we have a copper pot that was used for in Zanzibar, mostly found in Zanzibar. Yeah, so also right here we have a dao. So this is a dao right here. You see? That's a dao. So yeah. So the other side, you see, when you come in here, you can see the amazing. So this is the coral stone. It's called stone anchor. So the stone anchor right here, wow, is used to hold ships that used to not drift away. So this one right here, wow, just amazing, very nice. And also we have some copper ingots right here. Just a nice place, man. You can come here visit. So right here we have mercury. This is mercury right here.
What is to hold the ships.
And also you have some cinnabar pieces right there. A bright red colored mineral that component of mercury is traded to pigment jewelry of 1,000 years, many parts of the world. So you see right here, just a nice part. You can come pay visit. So you see this wooden piece right here? It's a wooden piece that stays here forever, for some years. And also we have this right here. Hey. Look, there's a wood. Alright, so you see right here. Yeah.
These ones are the finding stones.
Wow. Just a nice lady, a very nice lady, a very beautiful lady. And also you have a handsome guy right here, very handsome. Wow, wow, right here. And this is how they used to prepare themselves right here. They really are. Look, just a nice. So that's a Mijikenda. And also you have a house right here. They are just preparing a dao. Look at this guy right here. He's very old. He's preparing a dao. Look, trying to construct such a thing like that right there. And also we have this small baby right here, a toddler. That's nice. So it's a great history right here. A great history. So these are the drums that were used in ceremonies. All right, that's nice. So we call it marimba. Oh, okay. So you see right here also we have this thing that they used to fetch water, and also we have some dried bananas, mangoes, pawpaw, and pineapple right here. So, yeah, those are the drums right there. Yeah, marimba right here. The house. So this is how they used to build the houses. Wow, the Mijikenda people.
After harvesting
wow, grains right there. This is the map. So
this one is called taita.
Oh. So we have some taita right here. So these are the taita people right here. You see the way that granny is. The taita had rich, attractive attire and decorations for sure. So these are the decoration for the taita people right here. We have some amazing jewelry, and also the pot for cooking right here. So also we have a bed right here, guys. So these are the house for the taita. Man, look. Hey. Okay. It's called Dawahida. Wadawida. That's the house for the Wadawida.
As you can see, they are drawing drums. They're totally different with the other.
Yes.
More big.
Yeah. See right here. And also we have a hide skin bed right here. That's nice. This reminds me back home when I used to sleep on a cow's skin. And also we have this right here, guys. Just a nice place to pay a visit and learn history. So with me, I want to say thank you so much, guys, for being with me on this channel. I want to say thank you so much. So I'm just heading to the other side. So if it's your very first time on this channel, thank you so much for joining. Kindly subscribe, and I hope you have learned something from this history of Mijikenda, Taita, and Wadawida. So see you in my next amazing content. Bye.